When initiating a Google Meet meeting with your students, you must be in the Google Classroom. Once there, you will see the link to click on to turn on and activate your Google Meet. So go ahead and click on that. And then you will see this screen that pops up. Down here, you have two options. You can either hide your camera or turn off your microphone. You're going to then click Join Now. This little box probably will pop up. Just close this box out of your way. And then you will now be brought into the Google Meet so that you can begin teaching and your kids can start learning from you. Down here, you have the mute button. You can turn on and turn off. You're going to want to make sure you cover this with your students. The end call button down here. And then the turn off, turn on camera button down here, right to the right side of the hang up button. Over here in the bottom right corner, you have turn on captions. You can turn on captions and it will read on the screen. You can also present your screen right here. So if you need to share your screen and teach something from your computer, you're going to click on Present Now, and you have some options. The only two options that I recommend teachers use are your entire screen or Chrome tab. Your entire screen, if you click on that, this window opens up where you have to choose your screen and then click Share. And you're now able to share your entire screen. Be mindful you're sharing your entire computer. So that means whatever you show, whoever's in the meeting can see. So be mindful of that. To stop sharing your screen or your computer, you're going to click Stop Presenting, and they no longer can see your screen. Going back down to Present Now, you have the option to do just one single Chrome tab. So a Chrome tab is one of your tabs that you currently have open in your browser. If you click on Chrome tab, this little window opens up and you can now choose the tab that you would like to open up. Whatever tab you select, that tab will only that one tab will show to the students. Next to Present Now, I have these three dots. That's where you can find additional options. So maybe you would like to record this lesson for future reference. Click the three dots, and towards the very top, you have the option to record meeting. You're going to click on Record Meeting, and this little window will open up asking for consent. It's just telling you it is illegal to record without their knowledge. Let them know this meeting is being recorded for future reference, and then go ahead and hit Accept. Up here in the top left corner, the little gray button will start blurring, and then you have your little red that turns on, letting you know that you are recording this meeting. Over here, you'll see some extra options. You have the time, and then you'll see a little person with a number next to it. This number shows you how many people are in the current meeting. So if you click on that, it will showcase everyone's name. And then, of course, you also have your chats. So this little speech bubble, click on that, and you will be able to chat with your students inside of your meeting. So you can, of course, type in any message similar to an instant message or chat system on the internet. To stop your recording, you should come back down to your three dots. Come up to the word Stop Recording. It's going to confirm if you really want to stop the recording. Hit Stop Recording. And your recording has ended, and it will be emailed to you in your email. To hang up and end the call, come to the very bottom of your screen and click the hang up button, and it will let you know that you've left the meeting.